Hello friends, welcome to Corporate Bridge. This is a short introduction video that will provide you of the snapshot of the Advanced Microsoft Excel course. In this video, we'll see why this awesome Excel course from Corporate Bridge. We'll see what is there in the Excel toolkit, and at last we also provide you a snapshot of the entire Excel course that you are going to undertake. Now, why this course from Corporate Bridge? Now, Excel is used widely by financial analysts, business analysts, corporate, students and individuals. In this course, you get access to our awesome Excel course prepared by investment bankers and research analysts. The main goal of this course is to enhance your skills in MS Excel through exercises and gaining hands-on experience on its various techniques. And this course covers step-by-step lessons ranging from basic fundamentals to more advanced features for your better understanding. You also have e-learning access with animated video tutorial guides for difficult topics. MS Excel is a highly practical course that will lead to learning powerful features and options of Excel to manage your worksheet related tasks more efficiently. Lastly, this course will help delegate gain Excel proficiency in calculations, functions, formulas, charts and Excel best practices. Now, what is available in our Excel toolkit? You have access to 100 plus advanced Excel functions, 50 plus downloadable Excel templates, 92 plus lectures with 5 plus hours of HD video content, and also PDF downloadable reading material. Now, let me provide you with a quick snapshot of the entire Excel course that you would undertake. Before we dive deep into Excel, we will start by providing you with some interesting things you can do with Microsoft Excel. Secondly, we would learn about the date and time functions that will help in quick calculations of operations involving period, frequency, age and related calculations. Then there are text and date functions which are very useful to work with alphanumeric databases. Then we learn about the filter, sort and conditional formatting which are very useful while working with large databases. Then we learn about formatting data. Now, having produced a spreadsheet, it should be formatted to achieve a professional and more easily readable layout of data for both screen display and printout. This section in Excel will take care about that. Then we would see cell information. Now, here we learn Excel's information functions that give us information about the data in a cell or a range of cells. Next, we learn about data validation to control the type of data or the values that users enter into a cell. Next, we learn an important feature of Excel, that is pivot table. Here we learn to create a pivot table report to summarize, analyze, explore and present summary data. Here we learn about how to perform the various logical functions. Then we would learn mathematical and statistical functions that are possible using Excel. Further, we would learn the database function which will help us to perform operation on entire or selected databases. Then we learn about the lookup and reference function. Now, they help us to find and refer to various data in given databases. This section will take care of that. And we would also see basic and advanced charting for business analysts. Now, in this section, you will learn charting and graphs, which are fantastic tools to summarize large databases. As you know, a picture says or speaks 1,000 words. So this is a very important function which you learn over here. We also understand what-if analysis. What-if analysis is the process of changing the values in cells to see how those changes will affect the outcome of formulas on the worksheet. Finally, we also see the security and privacy. Now here you will learn how to protect your worksheet with passwords. Happy learning and see you at Corporate Bridge.